Meaning of Fisherman's Friends.
Fisherman's Friends.
Fisherman's Friends.
Fisherman's Friends.
Fisherman's Friends. Fisherman's Friends refers to a brand of traditional throat lozenges originating from the fishing village of Port Isaac in Cornwall, England. The sweets were originally made by a local fisherman and are now popular throughout the UK for their strong menthol flavor and soothing properties. The name Fisherman's Friends is a reference to the historical association between sea air and its benefits for respiratory health, making them a popular choice for anyone suffering from a cough or sore throat.